Happy birthday, Direct Victory!
We wish you all the best.
You must monitor your blood pressure sa dami ng trabaho natin. And may this be your happiest birthday ever. Cheers!
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Director Vic. Thank you very much for bringing me on board, and wish you all the best. And I hope you have many more years to come. We all enjoy working with you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Direct Ninong. Happy birthday. I pray for your good health, that you eat healthy food, and you get a low blood pressure in your next medical exam.
Happy birthday, Director. I wish you good health, happiness, and success. May God continue to give you the strength, wisdom, and fortitude to lead the legal service. I admire you for your willingness to improve as well as your strictness to the rules. All the best. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Direct. It's been a pleasure working in the legal service under your guidance. Wishing you more birthdays to celebrate, and God bless you always.
Happiest birthday, Director Vic. Good health and more success.
Hello, sir. Madilim dito sa background ko. Pero, sir, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng mga naituro nyo sa amin. And sana po ay huwag kayong magsawa na tulungan kami at tulungan ng buong Legal Service Bureau of Customs sa functions nito, sa aim na mapabuti ang buong Bureau of Customs. Sir, personally, napakarami kong natutunan dahil sa inyo. Alam nyo yan, lalo na dito sa procurement. Idol nga, sabi ko nga lagi ang galing talaga. Hindi ako yung taong mahilig bumati. Pero sir, ang galing. Sana sir, wag po kayo magsawang tulungan kami. And more birthdays to come. As in, more and more birthdays to come, sir. Enjoy po.
Happy birthday, Direct. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you good health and happiness. And I'd like to thank you for all the support you have given me throughout the years. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Vic! Another year in your life means another chapter is waiting to be written.
And we are very excited to see where your story leads you next.
Kaya naman, kahit alam namin kayang-kaya mo maging main character,
Kaming mga supporting actors mo are behind you 100%.
happy birthday, Ninong Vic!
May God bless you with good health.
One hugs and
many more years to come.
Love you!
Happy birthday, Direk! We will be forever grateful sa'yo dahil isa ka pong tunay na inspirasyon. Hindi ka lang po matalino at magaling, mabait ka pa at may malasakit sa lahat. Nadagdagan din po ang saya sa opisina dahil sa'yo. May God bless you with good health always. Again, happy birthday, Direk!
Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday sa'yo, Direk. God bless always.
Happy birthday po, Director. Hi, Director. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Director Victor Trinidad. Kalimutan niyo na po muna yung mga nagpapainit ng ulo niyo sa mga nagbabiolate ng data privacy. Mabuhay ang mga Batanggenyo.
Boss, birthday. Wishing you many birthday to come. Inom naman tayo minsan. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-inom kagaya nung dati. Napaka-busy mo. Kahit sa gilid-gilid lang ng pantry. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Director. You set the high standard for everyone. And sometimes it's intimidating, but most of the time it's very inspiring and it's a learning experience to work on.
Happy birthday po, Direk. Stay Healthy po, and ala direk, kulang po kasi kami ng dito sa office, char. Happy birthday po!
Birthday Direk, wishing you a birthday filled with love, laughter, and all things that makes you happiest. Happy birthday again!
Mapia Kapitita, Director. Assalamualaikum. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Direk. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, Direk. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Direk. More birthdays to come, and may God bless you always, and good health po palagi.
Happy birthday, Director! We are grateful for your support, especially for our developmental growth, to have you leading us, and for your dedication to work. May the years ahead bring you continued success, good health, and many more reasons to celebrate.
Hi Direk, good morning po, and happy birthday. I would like to take this opportunity not just to greet you, but also to thank you for being a good father figure to our legal service family. We would like you to know that we really appreciate all your effort, dedication, hard work, and support. Thank you for your encouragement for us to learn more about AI, and I hope and pray to God that He will bless you good health and long life so we get to celebrate more birthdays with you. Again, happy birthday, Direk. God bless you.
Maligayang kaarawan po, Direk.
Happy birthday po, Direk. We appreciate everything you've done for the Bureau. Maraming salamat po sa mga efforts and systems na pinut in place nyo dahil sa inyo na susundan at na i-enact natin ang gusto ng ating Pangulo and na tutulungan natin ang taong bayan. And I hope na sana maging healthy po kayo and mag-serve po tayo ng matagal dito. And I just want to remind you that in anything you do, nandito lang po kami. Bata nyo po kami lagi. Happy birthday po ulit, Direk. Have a good one.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Direk. Hello po, Direk. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong niyo po na binibigay sa amin. Happy birthday. Salamat po.
Hi, Direk. Wishing you a happy birthday. May all the good things comes to reality at lahat po ng pinagpipray ninyo sa inyong pamilya at para sa inyong sarili at para sa legal service ay naway tuparin ng Panginoon. God bless, Direk. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. God bless.
Happy birthday, Direk, and more birthday to come. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Director Victory.
Happy birthday, Direk.
Happy birthday, Direk. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Boss Direk.
Maraming
salamat po.
Happy birthday, Direk, from your Tax Excel Division family.
Yay! Happy birthday po, Direk! From your RRD family!
Happy birthday, Direk, from Happy Lake Division.
Happy birthday, Direk Vic Tierney Don.